Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we are making a colorful one-pan seafood paella that brings the flavors of the coast right to your table. Try to avoid long grain rice, like standard American long grain or basmati. These stay too separate and do not soak up the broth in the same way. If arborio is also hard to find, choose any short grain or medium grain rice labeled for risotto or paella. For broth, seafood or fish stock is the top pick. Chicken broth is a good backup if seafood stock is not handy. You can boost a basic broth by simmering it with garlic, onion scraps, and a bay leaf for 10 minutes. Saffron gives paella its color and a light, floral taste. It can be pricey, so use just a small pinch. Crush the threads between your fingers and stir them into warm broth. To stretch your budget, back up the saffron with smoked paprika, which deepens the color and adds a hint of smoke. Best seafood to use and easy substitutions. You have lots of room to play with the seafood. Classic choices include shrimp, mussels, clams, squid or calamari rings, scallops and firm white fish like cod, haddock, or halibut. Frozen seafood works if you thaw it well and pat it very dry. Wet seafood can steam instead of sear and may water down the pan. Shop by what looks fresh and what is on sale. If mussels are closed and smell clean, they are good. If shrimp is the best deal, build the dish around shrimp and a bit of fish. For shellfish allergies, skip the mussels and clams. Use shrimp, scallops, and fish instead. Try to mix 2 or 3 types of seafood so you get a mix of textures, like firm shrimp, soft fish, and briny shellfish. Helpful add-ins, vegetables, olive oil, and seasonings. The base flavors come from simple vegetables. Onion and garlic start the pan. Bell pepper and tomato add sweetness and color. A handful of peas tossed in near the end gives a pop of green. Chopped parsley on top brings a fresh finish. Good olive oil matters here. You sauté the vegetables in it and toast the rice, so choose a flavorful oil, not the cheapest blend on the shelf. Keep the seasonings simple. Salt and black pepper. Smoked paprika. Saffron. Lemon wedges to squeeze over at the table. You do not need many more extras. Let the seafood and the broth be the stars, and use vegetables as support, not the main act. Step by step, how to make seafood paella in one pan. Once you prep your ingredients, the cooking flows in a calm, steady way. You build flavor at the start, then let the rice and seafood cook without much fuss. Prep first so cooking seafood paella feels easy. Take 10 to 15 minutes to prep before you turn on the stove. It makes the rest feel lighter. Chop onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Grate or finely chop a tomato. Measure your rice and seasonings into small bowls. Warm the broth in a pot on low heat so it is hot when you add it. Clean your seafood. Rinse mussels and clams and pull off beards if you see them. Peel and devein shrimp if needed. Cut fish into large chunks so it does not break apart. Pat everything dry with paper towels and lightly season with salt and pepper. The rice is tender, the seafood is perfectly cooked, and the sauerkraut is golden and crispy. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.